Hi everyone, welcome to techpex.com. So the project that we have brought here for you all today is a prototype of a Mars rover. This project comes under robotics category and is a perfect combination of mechanical structure and electronics technology. You must have noticed that there are certain competitions of robotics where the projects of robotics industries are presented, such as in school, even at college level, and even at NASA and other space organizations. So, what exactly the space organizations want is they want such an object, such a rover that can be controlled from Earth and can go to such places where it is difficult for humans to reach. So, this project is a prototype for such a rover. So, whenever we start working on a particular project, we think that what needs to be done, what features should be included in a project, and since it is a space based project, so what should be the special qualities and how its structure should be. So, all these things have been kept in mind, and taking into consideration all of that, we have developed this project today that we will be presenting and discussing in detail in the further sections of this video. So in the video is shown the mechanical structure. You can see the completed project over here. We will be discussing its composition and how it functions. So talking about how the mechanical structure of this project was developed, first we designed it in a software, then the acrylic sheet was cut according to that design. Next we have used 6 wheels. 6 wheels were needed to ensure the smooth movement of this Mars rover because the surface of the space may be rough one, so that this vehicle moves smoothly. Here you can see, and with each wheel we have used an electric DC motor which has been connected to the controller which has been fitted inside the structure. So here you can see that the entire electronic setup has been fitted inside this mechanical structure of this Mars rover. Next we have here used a wireless camera that comprises multiple features and can be used from remote locations for surveillance applications. So this is basically a two-way communication system, so that whatever the camera records, or either we have to send some voice message or we have to get some screenshot or picture of the area what is the camera recording, we can see that on our mobile phones at any remote location. So here it needs to be noticed that we have not used any wired connection for controlling the movement of this Mars rover. We have made it completely wireless using the Bluetooth technology, and we have connected it to our mobile using an Android application. Multiple sensors have been implemented in this project, as you can see on its front. So the sensors that we have used are temperature sensor, humidity sensor, atmospheric gases sensor, and LPG sensor. So 4 different parameters will be provided as data from this project to us, along with the visuals that its camera will provide to us. So for power supply to this system, here we have mounted a battery on the mechanical structure of this project, as it can be seen here. Further, the camera that has been mounted on the top is a 360 view camera which can be controlled using a mobile application. We will discuss that later in the video. So this is all about the mechanical structure of this project along with its electronics composition. So now we will discuss how this project actually functions and what is the workflow of signal in this system. So as soon as we turn it on, first of all this camera needs to be connected to the internet, and it can be connected to the mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi, like whatever connectivity is available to you. So next here, as you can see on the screen, that we have a mobile application. So this interface shows the controls that we have and what all data this Mars rover provides us with the help of its sensors. So Mars rover has been given name to this project as it has been constructed by keeping in mind that this project can be sent to Mars. So here you can see that 4 parameters of temperature, humidity, LPG gas and harmful gases are being shown, and this data is being collected by this system with the help of various sensors that have been implemented. So now I'll control it. Here you can see that I'll press the forward button now. Stop. Now I'll move it to right. It will turn. Stopped. And now I'll move it to left. So you can see that its movement can be controlled using mobile phone. Here we are using the controls from our mobile. So the best feature of this project here is the all 6 DC motors that have been connected with the wheels are giving power to this system to carry the entire weight that comprises of the electronic setup, the camera, the chassis itself, and still it gives a smooth movement when controlled. So all this power is being given through the combined 6 motors operation, and here you can see that we can control it using our mobile phone in all 4 directions. Now let's see what happens when any of the harmful or LPG gas is detected. So here you can see that the LPG gas and harmful gas percentage is 25 and 4% respectively. So for demonstrating how this project reacts to the increased percentage of these gases, we will use a lighter here. So we will first burn its flame and then we'll burn it off. And since it releases gases later on, we will bring those gases closer to these sensors this way. We took the lighter closer to these sensors, you can see that the percentage instantly started increasing. The percentage of harmful atmospheric gases and the LPG gas started increasing. And now it's decreasing as the lighter was taken far away from it. We'll do it again. And here you can see that the decreasing percentage started increasing again. And harmful gases has reached 99% and now it's decreasing constantly. Same goes with the percentage of the LPG gas. So this is how the LPG and harmful gases sensors are working, and same goes with the temperature and humidity. And here you can see that with the help of flame we have tried to increase the temperature near the temperature sensor, and the value of temperature has been increased slightly, so will not provide much more heat to this sensor since it is just a demonstration. So this is how this sensors work, and now we will see how the camera functions. So for camera, first of all we need to feed a device into it so that it can provide all the visuals that it records into that device only, and that device needs to have a particular application so that the visuals of this camera can be shown on that device. So here we have used this mobile phone which has been connected with this camera, and we will be showing you the demonstration of what this camera records. So here you can see that no person will be controlling this camera and only I will be there to control it using the mobile phone. Here you can see that we have 4 controls and the camera is providing the view of what is in its front. So here, as soon as I press the upward button, you will see that the camera will move upwards. Here you can see that it is moving as per the given direction, downwards, in different sides. Here it is providing the view of our office, and you can see that as told the camera provides a rotation of 360 degrees, a view of 360 degrees. Here it is providing the view of the chassis, and now it is circulating the view of entire room. Here it is a plant being shown in our office. So this way the camera works as per the directions provided from the application interface from the device that is connected to it. So this is how the camera works. There is an additional feature in this system that whenever the person speaks near the camera, the mobile will give the same output on the other end. So now you will see that when I'll speak in front of the camera, the mobile will give me the same output. So now I am speaking. Hello.
Hello,
Welcome to TechPex.
welcome to TechPex.
So this is about all the features of this project. I hope it was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel to stay tuned with more such projects. If you want to purchase it, you can contact on the number given on the screen or from the link given in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.